Today I'm going to show you how to draw my favorite cat in the world, Garfield. The tools you will need will be a regular piece of paper, a black Sharpie, a regular pencil, an eraser, and two colored pencils, which will be orange to color the cat and yellow for his whiskers. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so how I like to start out is basic shapes. We got his face. We got the middle of his face. His nose gonna be right here. And we're gonna have his body about right here. Little tiny body. His hand, his arm is about right here, and his hand will be saying hi. So we got his thumb, his fingers about right here. Okay, now to fill in all the details. Okay, we got his nose, and then his eyes. Kind of like squares, square circles. Then the other side, do the same thing what you did on this side. Oh, I forgot his ears. His ears are gonna be about like that. So they go up and down, kind of like an Easter egg, like an egg, but half an egg. Up and then down. And then right here is gonna be like an M, like a long, long M, to give the illusion of like his ears. So there it is, and you add his eyes. Now what's next are his, kind of like his whisker, his smile. Go down and around. Down and around. You throw a little like happy face right there. Another loop about right here. And there's that. Now you do his head, the shape of his head. Here it goes. Kind of go down, a little pointy, and then in. Same thing over here, down, pointy, and then in. Okay, let's pause right there. We're pretty much done with his face. Now, remember, if I'm going too fast, don't forget to pause the video. You can rewind it, fast forward it, however you want to do it. You guys hold the power in your hands. Okay, so now let's do his arm and his body. Okay, his arm's gonna be about right here. Okay, now his thumb. Kind of go like around. Then you go up and then down. Same thing over here for his fingers. Up and then down. And that'll complete his hand. Then you just go under his hand about right here and bring it all the way in. Same thing over here. So he's kind of like saying hi. Okay, now his body be about right here. It's okay if your sketches don't match with your circles, with your shapes, because little by little you guys will start to see how it looks, and everything will just connect, like, connect the dots. So same thing over here. His arm's gonna be in. Look at this arm about right here. There's his tummy. And there it is. We're done with the sketch. Now time to use your black Sharpie and go over it with your lines. Here it goes. You can start with the nose. Go up and over. Same thing over here. Do the same thing on the other side. Up and over. And don't forget his eyes. Kind of like oval eyes. Okay, now here's his ears. Same thing on this side. There's that M. So this character, his face and his body is like everything is similar. His eyes on each side, his nose on each side, his smile on each side, his ears on each side is pretty much similar. So what you do on one side, you will do on the other side. Okay, now time for his smile, up, and then a little curve right there. And then this circle goes all just around. Same thing on this side. What you do on that side, do it on this side. Up and down. And then his face down and all the way in. Down and all the way in. Same thing over here. Down and all the way in. And here's his hand, his arm. Down and up. Kind of like a loop. Or not like a loop, like a big U. Then here's his thumb. And here's his finger. Up and down. Put a little line underneath. Up and down. So the fingers are pretty much the same as, you know, as a thumb. Fingers can be challenging. They can. But the more you practice, the better you get. So now time for his body. This side, go in, and start from about right here, and then go like that. There's his body. His arms just start from right here, and go up. Which kind of gives the look that his hand is behind his body. You know, like he's saying hi and he's, you know, just relaxing. So now, time to erase your pencil marks. Get the eraser and erase it. Okay, what's next would be all the fine details that we can add to make Garfield look like Garfield. So we add all the like those designs that are inside his face and his tummy. So kind of like the little squiggles. Now with these squiggles, it defines Garfield. It's like, okay, now that is Garfield. They can be any way you want. Okay, now on his smile, you got like 3 dots. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then on his ears, kind of got some more squiggles. There, right there, and there's Garfield. So I hope you guys reached to this point. If you have, I'm very proud of you guys. So now what's next would be to color in Garfield. So we use an orange. Of course, sign your name. Well, there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, please do not like and subscribe to my channel for more art videos coming towards your way. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.